Hello everyone, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this crochet fall wreath. It's not really a step-by-step tutorial, but still provides you with a lot of information where you can purchase all these patterns for free. Okay, so to make this wreath you are going to need a lot of different colors. I'm using acrylic yarn category 3, and then you are also going to need measuring tape, scissors, yarn needle, a 3.5mm crochet hook, and also a styrofoam ring. So all the materials are going to be listed down below this tutorial, so don't forget to check this out. Okay, so we are first going to start working on our wreath. So for this I'm going to use two colors, some sunny yellow and brown. Now let me show you how big my wreath is. So it measures 30 centimeters. Okay, so to start, go ahead and chain a total of 26. Now the chain that you've made, it should easily go around your wreath, like so. We are going to make a big rectangle. So single crochet in the second chain from the hook and then one single crochet in each chain left. At the end of the row you are going to have a total of 25 single crochets. Once you're at the end of the row, you are going to chain one and turn your work and make one single crochet in each single crochet from the previous row, and this is all you need to do till you reach your length that you need. I'm going to also change my color randomly, so the rectangle should go around your wreath, and then we are going to sew them on the back side. So go ahead and make yours, and if you like you can also change colors. So I'm not going to follow any pattern to change my color, I'm just doing this randomly, and then I'll meet you back once I have my rectangle done to let you know how many rows there are. Okay, so my rectangle is now done. I've worked a total of 112 single crochet rows, and my rectangle measures 69 centimeters, and I've also worked one row of single crochet with my yellow color all around the rectangle. It's very stretchy, as you see. And now go ahead and sew this on your wreath. Okay, now let me give you a quick look on how this looks like. So I've sewn first my rectangle together, and now I'm going to sew in each single crochet stitch, as you see, and I'm going through both loops. Okay, now go ahead and make yours. Okay, now it's time to decorate your ring the way that you like. Okay, so I'm not going to show you how to crochet all those leaves, so I'm going to provide you with the charts. So they are very easy to make and you can make as many as you need. You can use these charts here, so put your video on pause to make your leaves, or you can also search on Pinterest for much more. Okay, I've used all these leaves. I made a few of them. I've also made some mushrooms, so I'm going to let you the link for the free written pattern so you can make yours. Okay, so to make the hedgehog, I'm going to put you the link for this one. It is a free written pattern and her name is, I believe, Jennifer, and she's from Crochet to Play. So she has this free written pattern for the hedgehog. It's going to be linked down below this video. I've made two of them because they are so cute. So this one is worked with a thinner yarn. It's a category 2, and this one is worked with a category 3 acrylic yarn. Okay, so go ahead to her site and make this hedgehog. I've also made acorns and pumpkins to decorate my wreath, so it's also linked down below. Now go ahead and make yours, and once you have all of this done, take your ring and you are just going to sew them onto your ring. And also, if you have a hot glue gun, you can glue them down. Okay, so this is it. I'm at the end of my video, so I hope this was still helpful. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below this video. I am happy to help. And in the meanwhile, I wish you all good luck, have fun and happy crocheting. Bye bye!